What if I tell you all that you have noticed some things in your surroundings, but also left them unnoticed at the same time? If I talk about the spirals in a seashell, the way the petals are arranged on a rose, even the swirl of a hurricane, I mean the same shapes, the same numbers everywhere. Doesn't that look like a coincidence to you? Or maybe it is something else. From atoms to galaxies, math shows up like it's woven into reality. But here's the thing, what if it's just not a part of nature? What if it's a part of a code? A hidden design we think as random.
You are inside it.
So let's try to decode it. You have probably heard of the Fibonacci sequence, where the previous number is when added to the successor number, it gives us the sequence. I mean, if we add 0 and 1, it gives us 1, 1 plus 1 gives us 2, 2 plus 3 gives us 5, and so on. But it's just not a math homework. It's just not something that scales up your textbooks, but it also scales up to the cosmos. It shows up everywhere.
Where? Where?
Branches, nautilus shells, even the shape of galaxies spinning. And there's the golden ratio, that magical number that decides the beauty of everything that hides and lies in this universe. 1.618. Artists swear by it, so do archaeologists and biologists. You'll find it in your DNA, in the human face, in hurricanes, sunflowers. These numbers aren't just floating around, they're showing up again and again, almost like they were meant to.
Meant for you.
Then you have got the physics constants. The rules of the universe are written in math, things like the speed of light or gravity. But one of the strangest, the fine structure constant. It's this weird number, about 1 over 137, that shows how light and matter interact. No one knows why it's that number, but if we were even a tiny bit different, you wouldn't be here. Atoms wouldn't form, stars wouldn't shine, life would never exist. It's like the universe is tuned to something or someone. Now, here's where it gets weird. Some math seems to come out of nowhere. Take fractals, never heard of those? They are shapes to repeat forever, no matter how deeply you zoom. The Mandelbrot set is just a simple formula, but it creates infinite complexity. You'll see its pattern in clouds, coastlines, and even in your lungs. And no one created this math, we just discovered it, like it was already there, hiding in everything. So the question is, who designed the system? Is math just a tool we use to understand the universe? Or is it the language the universe speaks? Maybe it's more than that. Maybe it's a signature. A signature left by someone. If the cosmos is an equation, who wrote it? Let's hear the universe.